Okay, sound check 1 2. Everything should be okay right now. All set. Maybe we just let, let everything roll right now. Okay, welcome back to our live stream for the weekly outlook. Happy weekend, everyone. Okay, so on this coming week, a little bit less news, but every single day definitely there is volume red folder news for the day. Okay, so on the Monday we try to avoid the JPY pairs due to the bank holiday for the yens. On the Tuesday we have the US dollar consumer confidence, Australian CPI on a Wednesday. Thursday we have the two US dollar news, which is good. It's such a good volume. And on the Friday, the Euro, Canadian, and the US dollar have a red folder news, and also the Chinese CN news. But since we are not trading on a Saturday, so it's fine as well. So we can mainly focus on the major pairs, the Australian pairs, the Euro pairs, and the Canadian pairs. Okay, let me share to a group. Okay, let's start the same thing. Let me have this out first. Okay, so the same thing, we will start from the monthly time frame due to the monthly candle is almost closing right now. Okay, we are obviously like we are aiming this internal liquidity down here, monthly fair value gap. And so on the weekly time frame, we did expansion out, break off this low. So currently we are looking price to come back, retest any premium levels to continue lower until this monthly fair value gap. Okay, so this should be the thing. This should be the protected high. Protected high. So I will assume the bearish momentum should be continue. Okay, let me do a quick share. DXY. Bias. Bearish. The reason being is the monthly is price is aiming as internal liquidity weekly broke close below the structure low, daily fair value gap resting above, make the swing high as the new protected high, protected high for okay. So this is my take. So on the until the daily time frame, right, we have this obvious protected high created of the creation of this daily fair value gap. Okay, this drawn liquidity broken. Okay, we have this fair value area, and also we have in the fair value area we have this daily fair value gap resting inside the fair value area. So it is potential for the price to sting in and just break off the structure and then continue lower until this monthly fair value gap as the drawn liquidity. So we are definitely bearish on the DXY until it hit the monthly fair value gap. Okay, so let's see on this. Let me remove this first. Okay, from the monthly time frame, the monthly is closing. Okay, it still looks very bullish because the bullish is the previous high has been taken out. We have this weekly fair value gap right here. Unmitigated. Okay, it's not taken out. From a daily time frame, it looks like a sweep and a quite indecisive. Potentially, this range could be the range of liquidity. It should be a continued expansion up because where we respected this daily fair value gap. Okay, okay, should be continue bullish, shouldn't be a problem. A sting in, and we have this 1 hour. Did we have any 1 hour fair value gap out? Daily fair value gap, a sweep of it, and then let me see. Okay, wait, give me a second, let me type it out. So XAU USD is bullish. Monthly, monthly nothing. Weekly fair value gap remain unmitigated. And second, daily fair value gap tap and rejected, but did not expanded with 1 hour fair value gap. Let's put it in to be observed. Okay. Okay, let's do neutral. Okay. Um, moving on next. Monthly fair value gap. Monthly range low. Monthly range high. Okay. Seems like the price is going for the monthly range high. Huge consolidations. Weekly nothing, still in a range. Um, the daily itself, no further daily expansion. Let's see on the it's okay. Let me type it out. So Euro USD neutral. Uh, price start in monthly range. Secondly, from the weekly time frame, monthly fair gap resting above unmitigated potential DOL, and the third the weekly nothing, daily fair value gap. Daily fair value gap not clearly respected from 4-hour time frame. Four-hour time frame. Potential. Potential. Bearish BPR. Bearish BPR from not interested in this pair due to uh, bias for every uh, bias is not in align with dollar DXY. Okay, the reason being I will be neutral on the euro against a dollar. The, although like the price just playing in the range, like playing ping pong with in between this monthly range, I still not interested due to I can't see a very clear thing inside here. Like the low itself, it didn't get sweep and then just reverse all the way up. Then the high is not even taken out. Then it went reverse. But potentially this could be the supports to continue higher. I don't know, but like it's really like not my thing. So like what this is my conclusion that the price stuck in the monthly range. The monthly bearish fair value gap resting above unmitigated. It is a potential draw on liquidity for the price magnet to higher to the monthly fair value gap. And then the daily fair value gap, right, is not like playing out respecting clearly. Like for example, this one is the unmitigated one. Price close below, then eventually just fill it up, pump, and this side there is a daily fair value gap as well. But the price did not expansion off to close above this high. The 4-hour time frame somehow we didn't sweep off anything, but we have suddenly out of sudden we have this BPR right here, which made me a little bit concerned that initially the low that protected expansion of the daily fair value gap one will be broken and continue playing in the range as well. So this is my take for the Euro USD. Not interested. Let me see GBP. Is it have the same thing as well? Monthly fair value gap. What it is? Oh, daily fair value gap. It's okay. Let me just remove this. Okay. Obviously, the pounds looks nicer. Pounds indeed looks nicer. We have this weekly fair value gap. Price is close in the range, so potentially price could just take off from this weekly fair value gap low to expand off higher. We have this daily fair value gap as well. Okay, and this is the fair value area, DFA. So on the 4-hour time frame, yes, we can see these lows as this low will be the ultimate protected low. If I want to long off this range, this potentially could be an inverse fair value gap for price to mitigate lower, retest, broke off. This is what I will see. This is the 4-hour inverse fair value gap. So the GBP USD short term bearish, long term bias, long, bias is bullish. Monthly monthly DOL is monthly fair value gap, monthly bearish fair value gap, IRL, weekly and daily fair value gap, which in the daily fair value area. So catching short term bearish towards the daily, weekly or daily fair value gap is possible. If catching shorts 4-hour inverse fair value gap valid, Okay, Australian dollar. Let's see we have anything interesting or not. From a monthly time frame, we are in the range. So we have this weekly BPR right here. Let's see we have any fine target right here or not. Okay, we have this very clean fine target right here. The next will be this swing high. Mark it out. Australian dollar could be very nice to trade off. So what would I expect is some sort of retracement, then sting into it. Is bullish. First, monthly target potentially disrespected. Weekly PPR form. Range low found from weekly once price sweep the low and rejected. Bullish. We'll look for 1 hour inverse family gap or BPR to continue higher. New Zealand dollar should be the same as well. This monthly from weekly time frame, relatively not forming. Let me mark it out this as a sweep. The high is broke off as well. Where is the daily favorite gift? Respect that. So for our time frame, we have for our fair value gate, fair value area, not waiting to rest. 等一下，等一下，还有一点点，再分析着。Okay, let me do a quick and deep breakdown right here. So this is the euro. New Zealand dollar against the yen. Canadian. and CHF Swiss franc. Okay, let me type it out. So GBP, JPY, Euro, JPY, AUD, JPY, NZD, JPY, Canadian, JPY, CHF, JPY. All these pairings against the yen has all this pairing against the yen has the same bearish bias against it, despite how near the draw on liquidity is. Highly likely it's going to respect the nearest premium level and continue bearish until the is taken out. Drawn liquidity level mark on chart. Will continue until is taken out. Okay, so let me have a quick summary on it. I've deeply looked through everything. So on the GBP, JPY, Euro, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, and the Swiss franc, against all these pairs against the yen pairs, all these pairings against the yen has the same bearish bias against it. Okay, the reason being is, like, despite how near the drawn liquidity is, the price is highly likely is going to respect the nearest premium level and continue bearish until the drawn liquidity is taken out. So this is my bias is bearish. Okay, this is my take. Okay, let me set alert for everything. Okay, so far, this is going to be the end of the weekly outlook. If you guys has any question, just feel free to drop a message in the link description below on our Telegram. Our admin will assist you against it. Okay, I'll see you guys. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend and have a good day. Goodbye.